Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday, June 23rd, one day before I get ready to upload my version of Summer Fun Under 21. This is a collab that's hosted by the lovely Joan Brodie, and I invite you to check out her channel. Joan does a lot of hauls and a lot of these mystery bags that she gets from thrift stores, and these mystery bags are phenomenal. I don't know where she gets them, but I never find anything like that at my thrift stores. But this Summer Fun Under 21 collab, we're supposed to thrift an outfit that's under $21. And it can be 1, 2, 3, 4 outfits, whatever you can get for under $21. So actually I'm wearing one of mine right now. So get into the video and I'll show you how I style my pieces. But check out the playlist below and all the other creators that are in this summer fun for under 21. Thank you guys for riding with me, and I will see you all in my next production. Bye.